Welcome to World Geography. It is great to have all of you here. I'm so excited to be your teacher for this semester. Hopefully you've all gotten the emails with the invitation to Google Classroom as well as the course syllabus. And with our first day of class here, I want to take you through our objectives. So we'll have objectives every single day in class. And so for today, our objectives are students will introduce themselves to one another, they will share about their summer, and students will discuss the importance of digital citizenship. So if you don't know, I am Mr. Regier, and this is my family. This is Mrs. Regier, and that is our dog, Bo. So where I've been, I grew up in the Remington School District. I was a Bronco in high school. Then I went to Bethel College for 4 years. And then my first teaching job was at Chaparral High School. They were the Roadrunners, Meep Meep. And this past year we moved to Halstead, and we're really excited to be at Halstead and be Dragons. So how was my summer? I've had a great summer so far. It's been great to spend time with family and friends and travel a little bit. And as you can see here, I have an awesome picture of me and my siblings and their significant others hiking in Colorado. And my favorite summer activity has got to be being on the lake and wakeboarding, although this was not my favorite time wakeboarding. As you can see, this turned into this was a desperate situation that turned into a faceplant there, so you can enjoy that. So moving into what you need to succeed in class, what are the keys that you need to follow? And a lot of these were already in your syllabus, which you've hopefully read and flipped through. So as long as you're following the syllabus, you should probably be good with these. But just as a few things that you can do to make sure that you're successful every day is log into the Google Meet. Every single day, log into our class Google Meet. We will meet every single day. Make sure that device is charged, because you can't log on or you can't stay logged on if your device isn't charged. And again, if you leave early, if your device dies or something, I don't know that, and so I'm going to count you as absent, and I don't want that to happen. And then follow the syllabus, as I said. You need to make sure and know that syllabus, have it available. If you want to print it out so that you can have it on your desk where you work, I think that's a great option. And I say this because, in every social studies class is designed to prepare you to be good citizens. And part of our civic duty as citizens is to have a basic knowledge of the laws and the consequences for breaking those laws. And so this class, you need to have knowledge of our rules and of our policies. And when you're at school, the policies are a little bit different. You have dress code, you have food and drink, parking lot etiquette, tardies in attendance, phones. And we have some of that. If you remember, we want everyone to be clothed appropriately at all times for Zoom meetings. You can't be laying down in your bed. You need to be on time. You need to show up. We might have an issue if you're just constantly texting on your phone during class. So some of those rules apply. But for the most part, we need to look in a little bit different direction. So for the technology policies for this class, you're going to look in 3 different areas to look at what our policies will be, and then also what it means to be a good digital citizen. So our online policies for our district are here at the USD 440 Technology Acceptable Use Policy, and this is a link to take you there. In this course, we will follow the ISTE standards, and these will be referenced every assignment. You'll follow the student standards, and I will follow the educator standards, and those really mesh well together, and it'll help each of us do well. And finally, we will do everything we do will hopefully build on digital citizenship skills. And so here's an article listing 7 digital citizenship skills. So how are you going to show this? You are going to make a digital citizenship video. So step 1, read through the 3 links on the previous slide. Step 2, create your video, introduce yourself, and you share your favorite summer activity, or if you traveled somewhere. Step 3, what does it mean to be a good digital citizen? And use all 3 of the sources in your response. So you're going in your video, you're going to introduce yourself, share your favorite summer activity, and then you're going to say, what does it mean to be a good digital citizen, using all 3 sources. So then your video's done. You're going to go turn it into Google Classroom and comment on 2 other classmates' videos. I've enabled the comments on Google Classroom so you can watch the videos and then go comment below. The link to the Google Classroom is here if you have not been able to get on there yet through the email. And just some further instructions. Read the sources, record your video using any device. It can be your phone, and then you can upload it to Google Classroom there. Turn it into Google Classroom, comment on 2 classmates' videos, and then click here for any questions that you might have about turning in an assignment on Google Classroom, uploading, because you're going to have to upload this video into Google Classroom. So this will help you do that. And if you're still having trouble, you can always send me an email. Hey, I'm looking forward to seeing all of your videos, getting to know you more. Thanks for your attention, and let's have a great year. See you guys.